letters are made of straight lines, and some are curvy and round. But every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah.
The B says the C says
And the D says D.
the E says eh, and the F says
The G says G.
And the H says
the I says
ugh. And the J says j.
the K says
And the L says oh 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 oh.
the M says and the N says
The O says ah 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 ah.
And the P says
The Q says whoa. And the R says
the S says
and the T says
the U says and the B says
the W says what,
And the X says
the Y says yeah,
and the C